What's up, makeup minions? I'm Kim Witte from WitteArtistry, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you are new here, I would really appreciate it if you hit that subscribe button below to become part of the WitteArtistry family. I wanted to do something a little bit different today. I'm actually in the middle of filming a different makeup, but I need to review this Milk Kush Mascara because it is apparently all the rave on the internet now. It's a brand new product that is out, and when I went out shopping, I was originally looking for a Bobbi Brown liner to Bobbi Brown mascara to replace the one I love so much that's almost empty. And almost every single person in Sephora kept recommending me this, kept saying they were wearing it. So we're here to figure out what the hype is and if it actually works. So why this mascara is so special, supposedly, is it contains cannabis oil, or hemp. And what that does is it actually naturally conditions your eyelashes, and over time, with repetitive use, it also claims to increase the growth and length of your lashes naturally. I have no way of really testing that unless if I use this for a really long time and documenting it. However, I can test what it claims for the other part. So in this formula, it says that the cannabis oil keeps the mascara super creamy, so it doesn't dry up or crack off or get like a bunch of fallout. And on top of that, it actually has fibers inside the mascara. So essentially the product has building blocks in it that latch onto your lashes inside the black product and build and extend your lashes dramatically. So let's open this up and we're gonna put it to the test. And I took before photos. Right now I have zero mascara on and we can compare them. This brush is shaped, what is it? It's called the puff brush. And it has a dip in it in the middle that is supposed to, make it really voluminous. My gosh, this is huge. Where's my other one? We have to compare them. It's in here somewhere. There it is. So I thought this was big. Bam! Upgrade. Really pretty packaging, kind of heavy. Here we go, moment of truth. It doesn't smell bad. In fact, I don't know if you're familiar with what the oil smells like when you're doing oil painting. That like natural, like linseed oil. It smells sort of like that. Well, here we go. We're gonna apply one coat. How about we only do one eye and then we can compare them on camera, and then I'll do the other eye after that. And then we can also compare the photos. I think that would be a good option. Already something I enjoy about this applicator is it has like these tiny little feet, I guess, for lack of a better word, on the end of each fiber. So normally when I use mascara, I have one of these bad boys and I comb through the lashes because it really bothers me when there's chunks or your eyelashes stick together. But whatever this applicator shape is, it naturally gets rid of those chunks by itself. Well, that is one layer just on my top lashes. That is intense. I really enjoyed this packaging. It just feels very sturdy and pretty. Do my bottom lashes. Oh, I forgot to mention, if you're wondering, or if you even noticed, my eyes are green today. They are actually from Iris Beauty lenses, and I thought it would be just kind of fun to do a beauty makeup with a different color eyeball. So if you want to get some or check out their page, the link is in the description below. This mascara is definitely incredibly volumizing. It's kind of blowing my mind right now. That's one layer. One. Look at it. That's insane. That's so cool. And it actually went on. I mean, I have had this mascara for a very long time, so I can't really compare the two because the older the product gets, the less creamy and buttery it is, especially with mascaras, they dry out over time. But this is nuts. This is like butter that doesn't smear, and I had this huge clump in the center of my lashes, and I was like, oh, great. All right, before it dries, I gotta quickly witcha over to this little guy and comb it out. And I was like, you know what? Let me just swipe it one more time, because the lady in the store said that it would actually do that itself with the applicator brush, and it did. So far I'm pretty excited. So you see the difference. Now I'm going to do one layer on these eyelashes. Oh, another claim they make is it's one of the blackest blacks for mascara. I don't know what scale they rank black on for mascara, but so far it looks pretty black to me. That's just crazy. I mean, I think it's actually just on my natural lashes at the moment. Definitely super dark. Wow. So far I'm impressed, not gonna lie. Usually not a rant and rave person about the moment I use a product. I just finished filming the other video, which was a more natural looking, no makeup, so that's what I'm wearing right now. I'm going to add one more layer of this Kush Mascara. I really want to see if it builds on itself like it claims that it does, because right now it has clung to every fiber of my existing lashes, and you can actually see them! Blonde people problems. Here we go. Layer number 2. So what I'm noticing immediately is I would recommend, if you're doing multiple layers of this stuff, to apply it when the first layer is still wet. Although it's still doing a good job, it just feels gross. Like it's crunching as you move the brush through it, which is weird. But it's doing exactly what it claims to do. That is crazy. My eyelashes look like false eyelashes. It's insane. But in like a good way. They don't look like creepy or fake or anything. Well, I am definitely impressed with this product. It makes my eyelashes have the length and darkness of fake eyelashes without having to glue something to my face, or without having to buy really expensive lashes so they don't look like a plastic fan. So that's exciting. Definitely going to use this more. And this is not sponsored by Milk, just letting you know. I was just really excited about how excited so many people were about this product, and I thought maybe you guys would want to know if it actually works. And I do believe it does. Yay! Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I really appreciate it. This was a lot of fun to test a product. I would like to do more of these. Let me know if you would like to see more in the comments below. And if you want to get some of this, it's linked on Amazon in the description below. Yeah, this was fun. I love you guys. Thank you so much for watching. And huge shout out to my wonderful Patreon producers, Bradley Shear, John Huckabee, Dan Tastic, James Halderson, Benjamin Sorgatz, and Tyson Moore. Thank you guys for funding this. You are wonderful, and thank you everyone for watching. I really appreciate it, and I will see you guys in the next video.